Becoming a success story requires effort, dedication, and persistence. Here are some steps you can take to make yourself a success story. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and set clear, measurable goals that will help you get there. Develop a plan. Create a step-by-step plan that outlines the actions you need to take to achieve your goals. Break down your plan into manageable tasks and set deadlines to keep yourself on track. Take action. Take consistent action towards your goals, even if it's just a small step each day. Keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and challenging yourself to grow. Learn from failure. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Instead of letting failure discourage you, use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Analyze what went wrong and adjust your approach accordingly. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you, and who inspire you to be your best self. Seek out mentors and role models who can guide and inspire you. Stay motivated. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of why you started and the progress you've made. Celebrate your successes and use them as fuel to keep moving forward. Keep learning and growing by seeking out new knowledge and skills. Attend workshops, read books, and take courses to expand your expertise and stay ahead of the curve. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can make yourself a success story and achieve the life you want. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. So keep pushing yourself to reach new heights and never give up on your dreams.